And we're going to take another peek now into our Chevrolet Classic Car Garage. We have been asking you to send in pictures where you have parked pictures of your favorite ride. So the first picture we've got here, this is neat. This is a 1930 DC-8 owned by brothers George and Kelly. Now, the interesting thing about this car, it only has 15,800 miles on the odometer. That math comes out to only 195 miles per year. How about that? That sees a lot of garage time, I think. The next picture here we're looking at, we're jumping ahead 31 years to this 1961 Catalina convertible. This is owned by Mary Koss. Mary says she purchased this Black Beauty, she says, from Bob Seger, and she says, thanks, Bob. She loves that car. Hale and Jan sent us this picture right here. This is of their 1968 Plymouth GTX convertible. We're told that only 1,026 of these cars were built in 1968. This one has a 375 horsepower, 440 cubic inch engine, I should say. And you know, the neat thing about the Dream Cruise, right, is all the wacky rides you see out there too. You need proof of that? Let's take a look at this picture here. This is a guitar car. It took JW 4 years to build it. Keep rocking, JW. I don't know if we'll see it on Woodward, but it awfully looks pretty cool, I'd say. You can watch the Woodward Dream Cruise. Maybe you'll see the guitar car. It's presented by the Chevrolet Shift into High Gear Saturday night. It goes on from 7 to 9. And again, it's live coverage of this annual tradition. If you just want to stay at home and watch it, it happens right here on 7 from 7 to 9. Diana?